step into the 2001 Ford Focus LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are remote trunk release, cassette, steel wheel, bucket seats, engine immobilizer, power steering, floor mat, rear bench seat, and wheel covers. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.